Jambo and welcome to this Excel for Beginner series where we will be taking you, or I will be taking you from not knowing what Excel is or knowing some little bit about Excel or having heard about it to a place where you'll be able to know what all these elements on your screen refer to, how to use the functions and formulas, how to use data, review, view, and even being able to print. Set up all your printer options where it is required and what all these elements under the print preview also refer to. This amongst many other functions which we will be learning in this tutorial series, which I hope will not get to 100 videos, but should not have more than 5 to 6 minutes of each video. Apart from that, I hope you'll be able to also subscribe to our YouTube channel, because all this is being brought to you by X University. It's a free for everyone YouTube channel, or an open school in layman language. Also remember to follow X University on Twitter, because that's the platform that is enabling us to get all these free YouTube tutorials. Lastly, remember to follow the author as at Bildad Wafula on Twitter, because that's how we are able to motivate all our authors to bring in more value in a timely manner. For X University, username is at X_University on Twitter. Follow that page. And on YouTube, the username is also the same, but you can just Google X, not Google, go to YouTube and search X University, and then put Excel series or just Excel and hit enter. You'll get one of our tutorial series, and like, click, comment, subscribe. That's it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.